Hello, my name is Slavic from Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I will be showing you how to pair your Apple Airpods to a Samsung device. So first, you open up your device, you go to the Bluetooth settings and your Bluetooth list, then you can open up your AirPods, and in the back of the AirPods there is a button. And you hold down that button until you see a white blinking light on top. And now they are in pairing mode. So you scan on your Samsung device. It should pop up here in a second. There they are, JoesGE's AirPods. And there you have it, they're connected.